If you're looking for a brand new ranch home in an amenity-filled community that boasts a convenient location without losing any convenience to what you need, I'd like to introduce you to Jackson Run Ranches in Whitestown. We had a mission for Jackson Run Ranches: to design a community where people can live life comfortably in a brand new home with less maintenance and a real sense of community, where future homeowners like you don't have to go far for everyday needs or recreation. You won't believe how easy it is living here. In fact, with provided lawn care and snow removal, you'll have more time to do the things you love. After browsing the shops at Whitestown, grab a bite at local favorites like LA Cafe in downtown Whitestown, or take a quick drive to Zionsville to enjoy a glass of wine at Hopwood Cellars. Then relax on the brick patio at Cobblestone while you listen to live jazz and blues music with your dinner. Homeowners will love cooling off in the future community pool on a warm summer day, or taking their furry family member for a run at the community dog park. Avid golfers will love their short drive to Zionsville Golf Course. If you're the adventurous type, Starkey Nature Park offers a variety of recreation and hiking just minutes from your door. Or go for a nice long bike ride on the Whitestown Rail Trail. For those that love long strolls on the beach and the sounds of crashing waves, just lock up and go. The lawn and snow removal will be taken care of while you're away. The most important goal in our mission for Jackson Run Ranches is you, our future homeowners. Our passion and purpose is to build a beautiful place with innovative design, energy efficiency, and quality construction that you'll love to call home. We take pride in our commitment to working closely with you every step of the way and for years after. Discover this brand new, affordable community in Whitestown, Indiana. Schedule your private appointment to visit our model and meet with our sales representative. We can't wait to welcome you home.